Ayun guys, so share ko lang no, isa sa mga trending stock lately sa PSEI. Ito, Maynilad Water Services up 4.77% in just one day. So it's a very big jump considering yung size nitong company na to, no. So talagang hype and talagang marami talaga yung nakakita ng value nito. So hindi naman natin sila masisisi kasi talagang maganda yung yung company na to. So alam naman natin utilities, hindi naman talaga sila malulugi kasi as long as there are people, yun, kailangan ng tubig. And ito, utilities, defensive stocks, and just like any other utility companies like electricity and Manila Water, no? So there are yun nga, parang talagang in times of uncertainty, and then dyan talaga yung mga investors. And also syempre, as long as there are people, again, as long as there are people, hindi naman mawawala ng paggamit ng tubig and ng kuryente. So basic necessities, and ayun nga, yun yung basehan ng value dito. So Maynilad Water Services, and so kaya siya nag-trending lately is because of the declaration or the pricing in ng pagde-declare nila ng dividend yield, no. So to check natin, no. Ayan, so sa source natin, and sa COL Financial, they are declaring 1.14 pesos per share, no. So at dividend yield of 5.4. So if you bought this at the IPO price, it would give you a yield of 7 to 8%. Pero ngayon na around 21 na siya, which is dito 20.54, nag-yield na siya ng 5.4%. So ibig sabihin, if you have let's say 100, you'll get 5.4 pesos for that, no. So ganun lang, just a simple computation of the dividend yield. So again, it takes resources to make or to gain profit, no. So ayun, at 20.54, 5.4% na siya. So possible pa na tumaas to before the ex-dividend date. Ayun, ex-dividend date is yung date na kung saan kapag ka nakabili ka or nakahabol ka sa pagkuha ng share nito ng Maynilad Water, ibig sabihin you are entitled for their dividend payout. So even if you are just a holder or you are just an investor for a day, no. So let's say March 1 ang ex-dividend date nila, and you bought the stock at February 28, you are entitled for the dividend payout. So even just for a day. So ganun nag-work yung dividend payout, no. So we can expect na since malaki nga yung yield niya, we can expect na it could still go up. It could still price higher, no. So talagang nagagawan sila sa stock na yan, and of course nagagawan sila para dun sa dividend payout kasi substantial pa rin naman yan kahit na tumaas pa yung presyo niyan. So ganun lang. Pero I would say na if you are not into this, or hindi ka nakabili before, no, it's still a good stock. So just do a cost averaging. Like what I said, pagdating sa stock market, it's always long term, and you go beyond 5 to 10 years, no. We can make this as an educational fund for our kids or retirement. So with the stock market, so ganun yung outlook natin with the stock market. So iba yung mga forex trading, so it's more like a business, it's more of a cash flow. Ito, this is where we put our extra, no. So aside from our savings, emergency fund, we can put it here sa stock market. And yun nga, with the long term perspective, so para yun nga mas mag-grow pa and mag-compound pa, kasi yun yung essence, no, magkaroon ng compounding interest yung ating savings, no. So that's it guys. I hope na nakatulong itong information na to when it comes to your investing. It's going to be an exciting company, no. So ang ganda ng ang ganda ng yield nila. So as expected nga kasi with the utilities company. So even yung mga yung mga conglomerates na malalaki, no, na merong mga utilities and mga necessities talaga ng mga Pilipino. Ayan, so malaki talaga yung dividend yield. So you look for that. You look for those companies, no, if you are looking for a cash flow. And yun, there's still capital appreciation, and I would say yun nga, mga REITs, real estate investment trust. But aside from that, you can go for utilities like yung mga telco, yan, Globe, PLDT, Meralco, Manila Water, ito Maynilad, and the likes, no. So I hope na nakatulong itong information na to sa investing ninyo. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.